We have arrived in Tombstone. What a ride to get here. And thank you, Kyle, Ryan, Tobias, crew. I'm using the DJI mic, so we'll see how it sounds. And this is the first attempt with it. Anyway, we're going to take a little walk through Tombstone and show you around a little bit. Hello, Sheriff.
Yeah.
It's our very first time
See
here.
the mountains up here?
Yes.
Ed Shefton was up there digging.
Oh.
Said to the Chicago Indians, I'm going down there to find gold. Said the only thing you'll find down there is your tombstone. That's how it was named. The walk down started at the Crystal Palace.
Yep.
Came to here, went there. See that bell tower?
Yes.
That's the City Hall. You've seen the movie Tombstone?
Yes.
Well, Behan came out of the City Hall.
Okay.
Said, don't go down there. They pushed him out of the way, and Wyatt went ahead of the other three. The gunfight was from that door to here.
That's where it was. You're kidding.
Turned the corner. They were lined up against the wall. He said,
Yes.
you son of a bitch has been looking for a fight. Now you can have it. They went for their guns, and Virgil came out and said, no, that's not what I want. And you heard click, click on the double-barrel shotgun. Doc Holliday. 22 seconds and 35 bullets. It was all over.
Incredible.
But that's what it was. The Crystal Palace on the left. It's the only original bar in town.
Okay.
Wide open. Doc Holliday had a gambling in there. One table, making $1,000 a night. You've seen
That's
the movie?
big money.
That is
Seen the
big
movie?
money.
Yeah,
Incredible.
Remember when Virgil gets his arm
Yeah.
blown?
Yes.
They were waiting on the long, see the Longhorn there on the right?
Yes.
See the balcony? That was the Bucket of Blood and the Moon Hotel. They were waiting upstairs. As he left the Oriental with the crystal, they opened fire and shattered his left arm.
Wow.
That's how it all started. But they only walked down two, Wyatt and Virgil.
Mm-hmm.
They got here, this was a hotel.
Mm-hmm.
They met Doc and Morgan.
Yep.
And Doc said, where are you going? He said, the OK Corral. He said, not your fight. He said, that's a fine thing to say to me.
Mm-hmm.
So they deputized him.
Mm.
And then they went down, turned left
Yeah.
to the OK Corral.
That is
The OK Corral is
fabulous.
actually over there.
Well, now we
You
know.
want to
Gunfights.
follow the walk down there, you turn left, you'll see the bit, and you'll see flies.
Okay.
Next to flies at the entrance where they actually, because
Okay.
Billy Clanton got shot in the stomach and staggered into Fremont. Doc followed him, but he dropped down there. And it's a bit romantic as well. They put a blanket over you. Well, you got to get it where you
I
can.
like your hopeful.
You got to get it where you can.
And a little romantic encouragement for this one wouldn't hurt. He's a younger one. He's 55. I'm
What is he,
58.
57?
55. Yeah. Thereabouts.
55.
Yeah. Needs to get up on the
90.
romance a little bit.
90?
90?
Baby.
Fantastic.
Ink hasn't
Oh my
dried on
gosh.
his birth certificate yet.
No
Nice
kidding.
to have you. Enjoy
Lovely.
the rest of your day.
And thank you
Try
for the
crystal.
information.
And don't forget, Big Nose Kate wasn't Big Nose Kate. She never
Okay.
had a big nose. She pushed her nose into people's business.
Oh,
That's why
that's
that's
why they called it unlike myself.
Yeah. Enjoy.
All right, thank
Have
you.
a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, that was the best Tombstone legend. And we are going to go in and have that beverage we've been talking about.